The Formula One season is in full swing, and the battle for supremacy is heating up. But with the next races on the horizon, the teams aren't wasting any time. They're all in a secret arms race, throwing everything they've got into developing mind-blowing car upgrades. But what exactly are these upgrades? And will they be enough to shake up the current standings? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of F1's hottest upgrades. McLaren, the iconic Formula One team, is gearing up for a competitive edge with a series of strategic upgrades. These upgrades target the weaknesses that have hindered their performance. They are particularly focused on improving DRS efficiency and race pace under high fuel conditions. The team's current contender, the MCL38, showcased a notable improvement at the high-speed Jeddah circuit. Securing a commendable fourth-place finish was Oscar Piastri behind the wheel. This result marked a progression for their performance in Bahrain, hinting at the team's potential for the season. Despite the improvement, McLaren acknowledges the gap in race pace compared to their rivals. With an approximate 0.15-second advantage, McLaren has outpaced Mercedes and Aston Martin. However, they are still trailing behind the formidable pace set by Ferrari and Red Bull. To bridge this gap, McLaren is concentrating on upgrades. These enhance straight-line speed, crucial for tracks like Imola and Monaco. Additionally, they aim to improve stability in slower corners. This is intended to address the MCL38's current limitations. The team has outlined a phased approach for the rollout of these enhancements. Fans can expect to see initial, smaller upgrades making their debut in the upcoming races in Australia and Japan. A more significant update is anticipated by the first third of the season. It is poised to make a substantial impact, likely coinciding with the Miami Grand Prix. McLaren remains realistic about the challenges ahead, acknowledging that perfecting the setup for the MCL38 will yield only marginal improvements. These improvements are quantified in tenths of a second. However, the team's strategic focus on addressing specific performance weaknesses through targeted upgrades signifies a determined effort. This effort aims to close the gap to their competitors and return McLaren to the forefront of Formula One competition. As the primary contender shadowing the dominant Red Bull team in the Formula One Championship, Ferrari is doubling down on its efforts. They plan to close the gap with a major upgrade package on the horizon. The iconic Italian racing team is channeling its focus into fine-tuning the performance of the current car. This is while in anticipation of the arrival of these new components. This strategic move comes as a part of their broader campaign to challenge for the championship title more vigorously. During the last race weekend, Ferrari encountered a notably different challenge compared to their struggles in early 2023. The team grappled with optimizing tire performance at the beginning of race stints, a stark contrast to their previous issues. This pivot in challenges underscores the dynamic nature of Formula One. In this sport, teams must constantly adapt to evolving conditions and performance factors. The upcoming Aero upgrade is poised to be a game-changer for Ferrari. With a blueprint involving new side pods and a redesigned floor, the goal is clear. The aim is to shave off crucial tenths from the raw lap times, thereby enhancing their competitiveness. The redesign is rumored to draw inspiration from Red Bull, especially in terms of the new side pods. These are expected to feature a minimalistic inlet that aids in engine cooling without compromising the car's aerodynamics. As Ferrari girds itself for these significant improvements, it's crucial to note one thing. They are not alone in this pursuit of advancement. The Formula One field is notoriously competitive. Teams are constantly searching for the smallest of margins to gain an advantage. However, with its rich racing heritage and a relentless drive for excellence, Ferrari is well positioned to make substantial strides. By catching up to and potentially surpassing their rivals with these planned upgrades, they aim to change the standings. Before we move on, share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategies or developments do you predict will make the biggest impact in the next batch of races? Which team do you think has read the track conditions and competition correctly and is poised to upend the current standings? And as we dive deep into the twists and turns of this F1 saga, if you find discussions like this intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to activate the bell icon for notifications to stay updated with our latest analyses and insights. Your perspective fuels the grand narrative of Formula One, and every comment accelerates the excitement. Red Bull's racing journey through the current Formula One season has been a spectacle, marked by both off-track drama and on-track triumphs. This has captivated fans across the globe. Apart from their racing prowess, the team's innovative approach to car design has been a significant point of interest. In particular, the unique skinny side pod design often sparks discussion among F1 fans. Looking ahead, the buzz around Red Bull intensifies as they gear up for a significant event. Their first major upgrade package of the season is expected to roll out in Japan during the 4th round. Intriguingly, the rumor mill is active with speculation about Red Bull's plans. It suggests the upcoming upgrade package will be heavily inspired by past concepts. These are designs that Mercedes chose to abandon in 2023. This new decision suggests an even more streamlined approach to the sidepods. It pushes the boundaries of aerodynamic efficiency. The dedication to adopt slimmer sidepods is anticipated for the cooler Japanese climate. This could help avoid engine cooling issues that such a design might worsen in warmer weather. Red Bull's current car design is meticulously engineered to optimize airflow towards the vital aerodynamic components at the rear. As a result, the planned narrowing of the sidepods presents an interesting engineering challenge. The key question for fans and rivals alike revolves around Red Bull's strategy, specifically how they plan to retain or enhance their aerodynamic advantages with this significant alteration. This bold move emphasizes Red Bull's never-ending quest for improvement and innovation. As they navigate through this transition, the F1 world watches with bated breath. Everyone is eager to see if these changes will strengthen their dominance or reveal new weaknesses in the relentless pursuit of supremacy in the sport. As the ongoing saga of Formula One unfolds, the headline-dominating Red Bull finds itself in a tight competition. McLaren and Ferrari are hot on their trail, engineering cunning strategies to diminish the gap. The coming races stand as a crucial battleground, ready to expose the effectiveness of the hopeful upgrades in these equipos arsenals. Will any team be able to outsmart and outdevelop Red Bull to seize the prime position on the grid? Or will Red Bull continue their reign, successfully maintaining the edge they've carved out so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're passionate about Formula One and enjoy following along with the latest news and analyses, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. This is F1 For You, signing off.